In a previous video, we covered how to make a magic ring. And if you're brand new here, that's the foundation everything else builds on. I'll link that video at the end and in the description. Today, we're taking that next step because casting on your magic ring is one thing. Knowing exactly how many stitches to add in each round after that, that's what makes the difference between a flat circle and one that cups or ruffles. Here's the rule, and it's beautifully simple. For a flat crochet circle in single crochet, you increase by 6 stitches every round. Round 1, 6 stitches. Round 2, 12 stitches. You've added 6. Round 3, 18 stitches. And round 4, 24, and so on. This works because of geometry. A circle's circumference grows proportionally as the radius increases. And 6 increases per round is the magic number that keeps the fabric flat for single crochet. If you have fewer increases per round, the piece cups inward. Great for bowls and baskets, not for coasters. If you have more, it ruffles. Useful for decorative edges, not for flat pieces. So 6 is your anchor number to remember. Now, one important note, this rule of 6 is specifically for single crochet. If you're working in half double crochet, the number shifts slightly. You'll typically increase by 8 stitches per round. For double crochet, it's usually 12. The taller the stitch, the more increases you need to keep things flat. The geometry changes as the stitch height changes. I'd encourage you to try this right now, even with a few yards of yarn. Work 4 rounds using the rule of 6. Lay it flat on the table and see what happens. If it lies flat, you've got it.